Okay. Good morning, gentlemen and ladies.
Good morning.
We have scheduled debate conference today, March 15, 2024, for civil works with contract ID number 23BA0053 to 23BA0061, and for goods with contract ID number 23GB04. Before we proceed, we start with prayer. Father,
Son, and Holy Spirit. Our Father who art in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
As we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
With the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Mamela, attendance.
Okay, good morning everyone. Before we proceed with our private conference for civil works and goods, we would like first to acknowledge all here present. We have our back chairman, William Patrick Bibelis presiding.
Present.
Back members, we have Leonardo Giberisi Jr., Restituto A. Ventero, Rizalino C. Cabarlo, and Ronald P. Taguba. We also have the head of the Secretariat, Leonardo Bidayo Sr., and the members of the Secretariat, yours truly, Jose Gonzalez, Celso B. Concepcion, Belmar Arcamayo, Adalia Q. Taguba. Also, we have the head of TWG, Bernardo Samuel Chica Gente, and the members of TWG, we have Marjorie Obulawan, Chelen Del S. Danao, Ronald P. Lim, John Philip M. Rivera, Christian D. Paradisa, Mary Joy P. Cleofe, and Rizal S. Manarigon. Mr. Chair, we have a quorum, sir.
Okay, thank you, Malena. Engineer Concepcion, please read the details.
Yes, sir. Good morning. For the procurement of civil works, we have contract ID 24B0053. Contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road, Barangay SISIM ALTO, TUMAUINI, Isabela. Contract location is at TUMAUINI, Isabela. Brief description, road concreting with a length of 0.9955 km, width 2.5 meters, 0.2 meter thick, 1.991 lane kilometer. We have also paving of shoulder with a length of 0.28 km, width 1 meter, 0.2 meter thickness, 0.42 lane kilometer, and stone masonry with an area of 220 square meter, length 140 linear meter, and the average height is 1.57 meter. The approved budget for the contract is 9,900,000 pesos. Contract duration 62 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. For contract ID 24B0054, we have contract name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road at Barangay ANAO, CABAGAN, Isabela. Contract location is at CABAGAN, Isabela. Brief description, road concreting with a length of 0.518 kilometers and a width of 2.5 meter, thickness 0.2 meter, 1.036 lane kilometer. The approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000 pesos. Contract duration is 37 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos. Next is for contract ID 24B0055. We have contract name of Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, rehabilitation of road at Barangay Piling ALTO, CABAGAN, Isabela. The contract location is at CABAGAN, Isabela. For the bridge description, we have road concreting with a length of 0.381 km, length 0.762 km, thickness 0.2 meter, width 5 meter. We have also stone masonry with an area of 220 square meters, length 140 meter, average at 1.57 meter. For the ABC, we have 4,950,000 pesos, contract durations that 71 calendar days, and the cost of living documents 5,000 pesos. Next contract ID is 24B0056, contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program. Access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, rehabilitation of roads, including drainage, Barangay Calamati 2nd to Barangay Balikatan, City of Ilagan, Isabela. Contract locations is at City of Ilagan, Isabela. Brief description: rehabilitation of road, 0.99 kilometer, thickness 200 millimeter, drainage 1,651 linear meter. The approved value for the contract is 19,800,000 pesos. Contract durations 206 calendar days and cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. For contract ID 24B0057, we have contract name, construction of multipurpose building at Awitan, San Pablo, Isabela. Contract locations, Awitan, San Pablo, Isabela. Brief description: we have earthworks, concrete works including footings, columns, beams, slab. We have also finishing works for masonry, plastering, painting, doors and windows, tile works, plumbing and sanitary works, and electrical works. Approved value for the contract 4,950,000 pesos. Contract duration 122 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. For contract ID 24B0058, we have contract name construction completion of multipurpose building at Regional Science High School, Barangay Arcon, TUMAUINI, Isabela. Contract location: Barangay Arcon, TUMAUINI, Isabela. Brief description: earthworks, concrete works, including footing, columns, beams, slab. Finishing works: masonry, excluding toilet partition, plastering, interior paintings, doors and windows, ceiling. Plumbing and sanitary works, storm drainage and sanitary wrapping, and electrical works. Approved value for the contract is 2,970,000 pesos. The contract duration is 122 calendar days and cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. Next is contract ID 24B0059. Contract name construction completion of multipurpose building at San Antonio, Santa Maria, Isabela. The contract location is at San Antonio, Santa Maria, Isabela. Brief description: earthworks, concrete works, we have footing, column, beam, slab for toilet, slab tapping. Finishing works: masonry, plastering, painting, door and windows, tile works, plumbing, sanitary works, and electrical works. The APC is 2,970,000 pesos. Contract durations 122 calendar days and cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. Also, we have contract ID 24B0060. Contract name, construction completion of multipurpose building at Calanigan National High School, Barangay Calanigan Norte, Santo Tomas, Isabela. The contract location is at Barangay Calanigan Norte, Santo Tomas, Isabela. Brief description: removal of roofing stage, earthworks, concrete works, we have footing, column, beam, and slab. Structural framing, we have roofing system, grid A to B and D to E. Finishing works: masonry, plastering, painting, plumbing, sanitary works, and electrical works. The approved value for the contract is 2,970,000 pesos. Contract duration is 122 calendar days and cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. Next, contract ID 24B0061. Contract name, construction, completion of multipurpose building at Barangay Talag, CABAGAN, Isabela. The contract location is at Barangay Talag, CABAGAN, Isabela. Brief description: we have earthworks, concrete works including footing, columns, beams, slabs, stairs. Finishing works including masonry, plastering, tile works, doors and windows, plumbing, sanitary works, and electrical works. The approved value for the contract is 1,980,000 pesos. Contract duration is 122 calendar days and because of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. Sir Chair, that's the description of the contracts. Thank you.
For civil work, goods.
Okay, let's continue. Let's proceed to the procurement of goods. For the procurement of goods, we have contract ID 24GBE04. Contract name furnishing and delivery of construction materials and supplies, road safety materials and asphalt materials for Minanga Bridge, Balasik Bridge, and routinary road maintenance activities along national roads of DPWH Isabela. Contract location is at Ilagan, Isabela. The approved budget for the contract is 2,422,786 pesos. Delivery of goods, we have 14 calendar days. The source of fund is regular maintenance fund CY 2024, and the cost of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Concepcion. Okay, it is very clear that the submission of bids for civil works and for goods is on March 27, 2024 at 9 a.m. And the opening of bids is on March 27, 2024, immediately after the deadline of the receipt of bids for civil works and for goods. Okay, there any question?
Answer.
None?
Sir, may question na. Kung 24 yan, hindi pa pwedeng i-order. Ang last. Gusto na.
Okay, there's none. The bid is adjourned at 9:15 a.m. Thank you.